Hey friends, we're going to do some AET journaling. Specifically, we're going to do time and FFA committees. So you'll want to make sure you're in the journal tab. Time and FFA committees is this one here on the right hand side. And this is for whatever committee you may be either in charge of or put on, and you have a meeting or you do some sort of activity. You're going to use this to journal. If you are not in a committee and you haven't put in which committee you're in within AET, it will not let you do that until you put that in. Okay, so we're going to do the day in which you did it. We're going to say that we are on top of things and we are doing it in the day that we actually did the activity. Again, for category, if you accidentally click the wrong one and you need to be putting something else in, you can go down here and do that. We are going to say that we are doing a kickoff planning. Okay, so then you're going to choose the committee that you are on. So Ted Test is in growing leadership, or growing leaders in the leadership committee. He's part of that committee. You can always go in and add a skill. These skills help you when you go to apply for scholarships or awards within FFA, and they also look good on your resume. So if you have time and you know that there's a skill, you're going to want to go in and add that as well. Okay. So we're going to say that he was an effective leader in this. I'm going to add that in. Go back to the top, save it back to journal entry. Here at Westy, we require that you do 3 full complete sentences. Your chapter, if you're from another chapter, may differ, so you need to make sure that you check with your advisor and you're doing the correct requirement for your chapter. Okay, so in these descriptions, you want to put not only descriptions of what you were doing, but if you guys were given any awards or anything like that, you're going to want to put this in as well. So always make sure that you've got proper grammar and punctuation in here, and use the spell check. It'll just make it easier when you go to apply for those scholarships and awards, and it pulls it directly from AET. You don't have to go back and fix a lot of things. Okay, and then you're gonna always do a time and then hit save. Easy as that.